We out here, man, with the legendary shit. The R8 looking like a snack. Got the Evo looking like a snack. Man, it would have been sick to get all 4 cars at the show, but these two will do. TE gang. Damn, is that an Evo? So we are rolling into WEKFEST. Man, alright, hopefully I can make it to LA without destroying my aero. Let's see how this goes. These damn speed bumps, man. I'm gonna fuck around and come over here with a grave digger and dig up this damn speed bump. Sorry, Joseph. I know that shit ain't got no AC. Don't worry, I'm gonna take care of you. I'm gonna feed you today. Give you a little bit of money. I know it's brutal in there. This crack, bro. This shit is not the business. What's up, Audi? What's up, man? You're supposed to warranty this shit. Can y'all like her up? Sounds good. I never see my Evo like third person. It looks good. Well, I ran into the gang. We on the way. Full carbon ETR. Squad over here. Oh, we made it. The crack made it too. This is neck breaking central right now. Everybody's getting a broken neck. You doing alright back there, bro? The Evo made it, didn't overheat or break down, so that's a blessing right there. Hey, the compa made it. What's up, dog? Tall guys, where you at? Don't get it fucked up or misconstrued, because I do live across the street from the Staples Center. Digital dash. Doors don't go up, but it still go fast. Alright, we made it in here. We got Hortec over here. Wax on, wax off, you know. Getting that Barb Biber ready for y'all. Man, look how this thing is shining though with that polish and wax. Woo! Look how that thing's shining in here. Sheesh! Big shining. Don't get it misconstrued, the engine is in the back. Yo, so since the Evo was sitting, my wrap faded. Nice. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but that shit's definitely faded as hell. See that? Alright, look at that right there. And look at this. Faded. So the whole roof is faded. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get it rewrapped. Could have brought the Z, but I know more people wanted to see the Evo. All this is faded. So Outta gave me some of this. I'm gonna try it out just for now, so it looks better for the show. Get that rewrapped later. But all the carbon looks good. Kind of polished it up yesterday. Doesn't look bad. Alright. It's gonna be a moment of truth to see if this did anything. You guys saw what it looked like before. Let's get to it. Actually, it does look a lot better. I mean, obviously it's gonna go back to being faded, but just for the show, it's cool. That looks way better. Damn, dog, the low-tech products is working. Alright, so it didn't permanently fix it, but it definitely helped a lot. Especially around this one. That shit was all bad, but whatever. Just look at all those spots, but it definitely helped it out. That shit was looking like slave feet. Ashy ass. Only person in here that needs lotion on his damn wrap. But we here, man. I'm tired. Evo made it, didn't break down. And look at this spot I got over here. He said, don't trip. You can park it right here. So So bam, right when you come in this mug. Woo, look at that snack. Dude, I'm so pissed. So pissed, bro. Look at this. That happened 30 seconds after I left, bro. Not even my apartments did that. The damn shop. Whatever. Thing looks like a snack. Looks like a snack, right? Ah, shit is clean. Sheesh. Honestly, like the way it looks now, I don't even like want to drive this car as much anymore. I just want to like walk into my garage and then look at it. I have another pretty sick part coming, but I couldn't finish it on time, so probably Monday I'll install that. But it looks pretty damn good. I'm really happy with it. Thing is sick. Evo looking cool, you know. They got flaws, but whatever. Man, dog, you're still cleaning, food?
Hey, fool, I'm putting tire shiner on the plastic, fool.
Damn,
That looks fucking shiny, fool.
My tia does the same thing. She says that you could drink it too. Got my mans over here. 2J boys. It's gonna be lit.
Hey, fool!
Alright, so the show's over, and I didn't record shit, you know, because obviously I was talking to people, meeting all the fans, you know, but I'm gonna get a little bit of the cars right now since there's less people. Sick ass fools. That's full carbon. It's pretty sick. Sick. Full carbon. Shit's badass. Got the supercharged wide body right there. It's clean cute. That shit's clean. Full carbon. There's a lot of, I don't know if I'm gonna record all the cars, guys, but it's clean. It's clean. I think that's Tony's. Yep, that's Tony's single turbo. What's up, bro? You need that? You guys know that guy? Clean. This shit's bad right here. This shit is sick. Something about static supercars, man. See with the Meister's clean. Meister boys, BBS boys, Civics. Nice. It's nice. Yeah, you guys get the idea. There's hella cars here. Oh, this BMW is sick right here. This M3 is badass. Sheesh. What the hell is Murcielago seats? What are those? Okay, steak too. Oh, that's just bad. Sick. Supra boys. Nice. Got an R8 over here. Gen 2. I don't even know what this is. Lexus? It's right-hand drive though. Sick. Yo, this thing is clean. This shit is sick. That's fire right there. How much is back? Hey, pretty cool boys. This thing's clean right here. Is that a carbon fiber tailgate? Hey, TE the world. TE the world. TE the world. TE the world. What's up, bro? Shit's hella clean right here. All over George. This thing's nice. You know, black chrome's my thing. Got the nice paint on there. That's clean. That shit's sick, M4. Oh look, new Supra. Those are the RPF ones?
Best Avenger, WEKFEST LA.
Shit's clean.
Defender always does.
Thing's pretty sick. Got the Avon GTs on it. That's the right way to do it right there. Some fresh kick shit. Avon GTs on the Aventador. TE the world. TE the world. These are badass.
You guys happen to win and
Things
are
mad
part
clean.
of the Spark group, please come up for a group gathering of maybe somebody will take a photo.
Sick.
Who knows? It's a surprise. Sometimes when you take pictures.
It's just bad.
Second place, best crew.
You guys get the idea. Sorry, I didn't make this like a cinematic video or nothing. You know what I'm saying? Straight up raw content. Sick. Got the Avon GTs, center lock. It's pretty dope. Then we got this snack over here. Sheesh. The aero though. So, yeah. So the height isn't too bad, it's manageable. But definitely just gotta be careful, man, because this shit is, yeah, clean. You know, this is the best car here just because it's mine. You know, this is my favorite car. So hey look, Evo's here too. This fucking shit box. Hey, fool. This thing looks so clean. It's that polish and wax. Man. That shit had so many swirls, you guys didn't even know. That shit had more swirls than an ice cream machine. Oh, the carbon. Sheesh, carbon. Carbon, boys, I love carbon. That shit's great. Carbon, 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 I love it. I'm just gonna do a full person conversion and turn myself carbon. Got it on Snap, but I handed them the sauce. They were cool though. The passenger was like, he doesn't know what he's doing. The speed bump gods have looked out for me today. Not today, bitch. But damn, we got another one right here. Sheesh. That shit hurt. Alright guys, well that's gonna be that. Sorry I didn't have more footage at the show. I was just, you know, meeting all the fans and talking to everybody, so I had like no time to film, but yeah, so far the Evo's running pretty good. I did a few little small pools. I'm gonna flush out all the fluids in the trans and transfer case at like 500 miles, and then yeah, I'm gonna start beating the shit out of this thing and see what happens. But that's gonna be it, guys. So appreciate it for watching, tuning in. You know, I'm about to go grub on this Popeyes. I have not ate anything all day, bro. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. See you guys in the next video. I'm out.